Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a new event or appointment in the OneCalendar application. For example, Windows 10 or Windows 11 or desktop computer. So let us begin. Now guys, for this method you will need to launch the OneCalendar app. I'm going to do this on my desktop computer. You can do this also on your laptop. It doesn't work here through the web application, so let me start the desktop app. And here in your calendar, guys, navigate to the given date. Like, for example, let's say it's May 3rd today. So I'm going to set an event for Saturday, May 9th next week. There are two ways how we can do this. You either click into the given day and after that customize the given event here to the left. Or, let me just close that one. You may click into this plus button in the top right and select the upper option, not tasks, but events. And that is going to lead you to the same window here. So start by giving the event a title or a subject, like, I don't know, example event or something like this. Then you may assign a calendar that is connected with your account. For example, an external calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook and so on and so forth. And then you may go through the settings, set a start date. We said it was if you do it through that plus button, you will need to select the date here. If you click into the given day, the given start date will be already selected. Set a start time. I'm going to set it to, as you can see, that's the European format. So if you're from the US, 4 p.m. would be 16:00 for us. And for you, 4 p.m. And then set the end date. Say the event lasts for 1 hour. And then you set a physical location reminder, you describe it below, and you may invite invitees to the given event by navigating to people here and enter the email address here, for example, or search for the given contact from your contact list. Click into this button to send invitation. And that's it. Now, if you'd like to save the given event, click into this plus button. And as you can see, the event has been added to the given calendar. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time.